Okay, today is an exciting day. I'm going to plant something that I've never grown before. I ordered some seeds from eBay, so let's go see what I got. Okay, I went to eBay and I bought 1,000 Virginia Gold tobacco seeds, heirloom, non-GMO, and I got them from Sola Seed Company. They were only $3.29 plus tax. And they came in an envelope like this. So when I first opened it, there's a nice little card here, a little thank you, and I get 30% off my next purchase at solaseeds.com. That's nice. And here's a little pack they came in, Virginia Gold. And on the back here, it's a little information: hardiness, light requirements, soil type, sowing depth, which is surface, planting space, 3 to 5 feet, germination, you want to make sure it's warm, 70 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, and looks like it's going to take a while to germinate, 2 to 3 weeks, but after 55 days, you will be ready to harvest. So let's get some planted. Okay, tobacco seeds are really tiny, and I sure as heck don't need 1,000 because I only want to grow a few plants. So they came in this really nifty little packet. I need to get something to pour some out on so we can take a look. Okay, I'm just going to pour out a few. Look how tiny those are. Little bitty seeds. Okay, these seeds are really tiny. As you can see, this is a pinhead, and they're quite a bit smaller than that. So like I said, I only want a few plants, but I'm going to plant this 12 cell tray. Now in the bottom here, I have regular potting mix. This is Miracle Grow. Doesn't seem to be good like it used to be. A lot of just wood chips and such. You don't want to plant directly into that. What you want to do is put a layer of seed starting mix on the top. Okay, the seed starting mix is real fine. This will be perfect for starting those seeds. So we'll just put a layer of that in here. And then just spread it out evenly. Oh, missed a couple. You're going to want to keep this moist at all times. So I'm going to moisten this with a squirt bottle. The reason why I'm growing these is because I've never grown these before. I always wanted to, even though I am not a tobacco user. I do know plenty of people that would enjoy having my homegrown tobacco. And I think the plants are kind of unique. They have a unique flower on them. And I just like to grow something different. Every year I try to find something. 1 or 2 or 3 different things. Okay, now that we have that good and moist, I'm gonna go ahead and add a few seeds to each cell. Okay, this may not be the best way to do it, but this will work just fine. I can kind of see the number of seeds rolling out because of the yellow background. It does make it easier. And I can thin them out if I get too many in there. This will maybe ensure that I have a good crop. Oops, a little too many in that one. Like I said, there's probably a better way to do this. Okay. Now you want to mist down your seeds. And after that, we are going to put these underneath the grow lights, because these not only require surface planting, they also require light to germinate. So don't think they'll germinate in the dark, because they probably won't. Okay, let's get these underneath the lights. Okay, now I have a plastic cover that I'm going to put over this. You can also use some cling wrap, something like that, to put over it to keep it moist. Now we're going to check on this every day and make sure it stays moist, and in 2 to 3 weeks we should have something popping up. It's been exactly 7 days since I planted these tobacco seeds from Sola Seed Company in Florida, and to my amazement, it looks like every seed is coming up. Now I've obviously way overplanted these. This was the first time I ever grew tobacco. And so the next time I'm going to make sure to only put 1 seed in each cell, because it looks like that's all that's needed. So in conclusion, Sola Seed Company gets 2 thumbs up.